Jerry flew up from Rockport to come meet up, fly, and film with me. Jerry and I are both veterans from different branches of service and from different wars, but just like when most vets get together, we clicked right away. After Jerry and I were complete with our upper air work, as shown from 2 previous episodes, we decided to head back to Temple, and he offered me the controls to fly back, so I accepted. Throughout my flying career, I've only logged about 20 hours of Skymaster time total, so I jumped on the opportunity to get some more experience in this make and model of aircraft and gain some experience under Jerry's expertise. When Jerry and I returned to Temple, we began to experience some gusty winds, and a gust caught me right at the right moment during my flare, causing me to begin to bounce on landing. Fly along with us, and at the end we'll discuss and talk about the differences between Balked landings, go-arounds, and elevator trim stall awareness.
Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation. 2008 Zulu. Wind 310 at 15. Peak gusts 23. Stability 10. Sky condition few 2000.
Approaching 1700. We're going to start powering back some. Temple area traffic, Skymaster 31 X-ray, left crosswind, runway 33, Temple. Okay, nobody's inbound on the ILS because we still got to be mindful of people on the ILS circling the land, even in good weather. I know that in the jet, I like to sometimes dial in the ILS, regardless of VMC conditions. Temple traffic, 31 X-ray, turning left downwind, runway 33, Temple. All right, 45 entry to downwind is clear. All right, let's go gear down. Airspeed checks, gears coming down. Gear down. And I can look out on the... I got a gear, you got a gear. I got a gear. And the green light tells you the nose is there. Yes, sir. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. Airspeed checks. Go flaps. Give it a 3 count. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Got your approach flaps in. If not, it's marked on the boom on the right, on the left-hand side. Okay, gas. We've got the fullest tank. Undercarriage. We've got the gears down. We've got a green light. We've got 3 in the mirror. The mixtures are coming forward. Okay. The props are coming forward. Good. Seat belts. Cow flaps are open. Okay, we're ready to do some landing here, buddy. Temple, 31 X-ray, turn to the left base, runway 33, Temple. Pulling back to about 15 inches to slow down. All right, sounds good. Okay, good. There you go. There we go. Cool. All right, final is clear. A good 100 miles an hour down final till we got landing assured. And then we dropped the barn doors, and you can let the speed bleed off to about 80, and then hold what you got. Tempo 31 X-ray, final runway 33, full stop. Tempo. All right, gears down, undercarriage, gas, mixture, props, and fly the airplane. You're doing good. Go ahead and flaps down. There you go. And if you'll notice, those are long flaps out there. They really slow things down. Yeah. Birds in the vicinity. Yep, B1RDs, they're clear of us. So we're high, that's okay. We're going to come down, start easing it down. Nice 7,000 foot runway. I'm catching up with the Vassy now. Or the glide slope, as the case might be. Yep, glide slope, Vassy. All them things. Too white over too red. There we go. You're looking good. A little windy. Good practice. Okay, there you go. There we go.
Stall. Stall.
There you go.
Stall. Stall.
Good call. Good call. Going around. Good idea. We got positive rate of climb. Okay, let's get flaps. Okay, there we go. Good reaction, good reflexes. Hey, you just made my list of people who know how to think under pressure. Go-arounds are free. But you were set up for it. You had everything ready. Everything was right.
Temple traffic. Skymaster 213, 1 X-ray, turn left, crosswind, runway 33, Temple. Temple traffic, Skymaster 31 X-ray, turn left downwind, runway 33, Temple.
Gears coming down. Okay, I got one gear.
Skyhawk 12880 is currently on the fuel ramp, taxiing for runway 33 via Delta. Temple traffic.
Props forward, make sure gas on the carriage, make sure prop switches, seat belts. And we'll get first notch flaps.
Temple traffic, 213, 1 X-ray, turn left, base, runway 33, Temple.
That was not the owner's landing. Finals clear.
Temple Skymaster 31 X-ray, turn in final, 33, Temple.
This will be a full stop. Promise? There we go. Okay, we got the traffic. All right, pitch it back, get my airspeed right, get a stabilized approach. We got the gear down, got a tire, and three down. Looking good. Got some shear and some turbulence up here.
Yeah, that's probably what got me a little bit ago, too.
Could be.
That.
Gotta milk it. There you go. Oh, there you go. Got a greaser out of the second shot.
That's all right. That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah.
Get better. Okie dokie. Let's get clear of the runway. Hey, can I use some differential power to make this turn here, you think?
No.
I don't think that'll work, right?
Nah, that's another thing. You don't get the differential power to make the turn.
All aviators are required to train and perform go-arounds to a set standard. Less frequently mentioned is bot landings. A bot landing is a go-around. The implication, however, of a bot landing is that it's a go-around that is initiated close to the ground where there is a reason to reject the landing due to poor technique, obstacles, or any other unsafe condition. Some aircraft flight manuals have a specific bot landing procedure that is intended simply to get the aircraft away from the ground as quickly and as safely as possible. The decision to go around at 4 feet versus 400 feet may call for a slightly different technique per your AFM. The real danger with a bot landing recovery procedure is not executing early enough, potentially hitting an obstruction, porpoising, or being ill-prepared to push through the nose-up trim that is set on final for a reduced power setting. This is a scenario where if a pilot is behind the aircraft, an elevator trim stall could occur at a very low altitude, potentially resulting in a catastrophic accident with loss of life. To better prepare for these hazards, always maintain a vigilant mindset that a go-around or bot landing procedure may be required so that you do not find yourself behind the aircraft when it is time to execute. Since this day, Jerry and I have planned to fly again and bring you along for some more unique scenarios in this really cool airplane. Join me next episode as I conduct a virtual breaking the chain safety workshop on 3 very familiar scenarios related to reacting to a power loss on takeoff with some of my local pilot friends. Until next episode, fly safe, keep learning, and never give up on a dream. So long.